Hello everyone, today we're going to demonstrate the process of welding a hollow tube onto a metal plate at a 90-degree angle using an MIG welding process with a fume extractor. First, let's take a look at the materials we'll be working with. We have a metal plate made of steel and a hollow tube made of the same material. Before we start welding, it's essential to ensure the work area is clean and free of any debris or flammable materials. We'll also be using a fume extractor to remove any hazardous fumes and particles from the welding process. Now let's set up our MIG welding equipment. We'll be using a shielding gas mixture of argon and carbon dioxide to protect the arc and molten material from atmospheric gases. With our equipment set up, we can begin welding. We'll start by taking the tube to the plate at the desired location, making sure it's perfectly aligned at the 90-degree angle. Once the tack welds are in place, we can begin the main welding process. We'll use a steady, consistent motion to fill the joint, making sure to maintain a consistent arc of length and voltage. As we weld, the fume extractor will be pulling away any hazardous fume and particles, keeping our work area safe and clean. Now let's take a closer look at the weld pool. You can see the molten metal flowing smoothly, filling the joint. This is a critical part of the welding process, as it ensures a strong, leak-tight joint. As we complete the weld, we'll make sure to let it cool slowly and naturally, avoiding any sudden temperature changes that could affect the metal's properties. Now we're welding two steel metal sheets. Holding the tungsten electrode about 1-2 millimeters away from the metal sheets, we strike the arc and begin the welding. The arc is very stable and precise, allowing us to control the amount of heat applied to the metal. As we weld, the metal melts and forms a weld pool that solidifies quickly, creating a strong and clean weld. The welding speed and heat input are critical to achieve a high-quality weld. TIG welding is particularly suited for precision work and for welding materials like stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. The end result is a strong, resistant, and high-quality weld with a smooth and uniform. And that's it. The weld is complete, and the tube is securely attached to the plate at a 90-degree angle. Let's take a closer look at the finished weld. You can see the clean, smooth finish and the lack of any porosity or defect.